Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another video. So this week's video is pretty special for me. I'm going to be telling you all the gift ideas, all the cute little gifts that you can give to your girlfriend or your girlfriend. And also I'm going to show you the gifts because those are the gifts that I actually got this year for my birthday. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get started. Also, I have absolutely no makeup on my face except this lip tint, and yeah, I just didn't feel like putting on makeup today क्योंकि इतना अच्छा मौसम है, सुबह सुबह I didn't feel like कि मैं कुछ लगाऊँ अपने मुंह में. So yeah, here I am, and yeah, now we can finally start, and let me show you the first item that I got, and it's one of my favorites. It's this mood something stuffed toy. I don't know exactly what you call it, but this is a mood kit that I got. I'm going to show you the other items also because generally when people don't tend to speak out what's on their mind, it's you know, it's difficult to see कि क्या बोलना चाहता है, उनका मूड खराब है क्या है. तो आई एम दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन कि अगर मेरा मूड खराब भी होगा तो मैं चुप हो जाती हूँ, मैं नहीं बोलती हूँ ज़्यादा. तो टू नो कि मेरा मूड कैसा है, दिस इज़ अ परफेक्ट गिफ्ट एंड आई रियली लव इट. इट्स सो क्यूट एंड आई ऑलवेज वांटेड इट. इंस्टाग्राम पे इसका रेज था एक टाइम पे एंड आई वांटेड इट and I got it now finally. So this is my happy mood, and if I'm sad, then I'm sad. So this is also actually kind of a period gift for you because this will tell your partner or your friends that or your family that you're not happy, you're sad, you just got your periods. And uske saath the next thing that I got is this cute sa heating pad, and this is so cute and so small. I really hope this works क्योंकि बहुत छोटा है, but यहाँ पे it's sealed, so I think yeah, पानी तो वो गर्म रखेगा. So let's just see. I'll try it out when I get my periods next time. Also, it has a cute Powerpuff Girls ka notebook. You can use it to document your periods also, but I will use it to write something. It's super cute. And the next thing is a moodometer. I don't know, this is just a simple card that you get along with it. So this all came in together. I'm going to link all the prices in the description box where you can check it out. Also, this is so cute and so nice if you want to give it to your girlfriend who is actually on her period. She'll be super happy. So the next item is, again, I love it. I think my friends know me the best, so my friend gave it to me on my birthday, and this is a slime. आई लव स्लाइम्स. मतलब एक टाइम था जब मैं और मेरी फ्रेंड ही कातेरी, इफ यू लिसनिंग टू, यूज्ड टू सर्च कि कोई भी कहीं पे भी कुछ स्लाइम मिल जाए, एंड वी बॉट एक्चुअली अ स्लाइम. वी टुक इट टू अ क्लास एंड वी यूज्ड टू प्ले विद इट, बट दैट वाज अ चीप क्वालिटी वन. आई थिंक दिस इज सुपर कूल. आई लव दिस. ASMR, I don't know if it's possible. But I love it. I love playing with it. And कल से मैं बैठ के इसको बस खेल रही हूँ इसके साथ. So this is my second favorite gift. I love it and I'm going to play with it. And लोग बोलते हैं कि slimes ये क्या है, मतलब इसका use क्या है, but it's like a stress buster, guys. I love it. I love playing with it. मैं इसके साथ घंटों बैठ सकती हूँ. So if you're someone who loves slime, this store is called Cookie Do Slimes. This store is Cookie Do Slimes, and ये मुंबई से dispatch करते हैं, and you can get it. And this one is, I don't know the price, but I'm going to ask for the prices सबसे, and then I'm going to link it. So yeah, you can check it out. Love it. This one is cotton candy. This one is cotton candy. The next item I got absolutely made my day. I mean, this is a very beautiful notebook, and it's not a notebook actually. Let me show you what it is. So this is a photo book, a photo album, so you can attach your photos. So it has all my photos with my friends and families, and I really love it. I love कुछ जो कि creative होता है. I don't like gifts जो कि expensive हो या कुछ हो. I love creative gifts. So he really knows it, and every year on my birthday I get something creative. Last year it was something handmade. This year it's this, and I love it. I absolutely love it. This is from a site called zoomin.com, and yeah, you can order yours or you can gift it to someone, and it's super nice. And you can also choose कि इसका hard cover लेना है या नहीं, and you can choose the photos, and you can choose the number of pages as well. Next thing is quite funny. This is a mini fan, and also it has a ring light. So this is how it looks, and I'll just press a button and the ring light is on. Abhi dhoop hai, so you can't see it, but it's on. And then if you press it again, इट्स वेरी नाइस फॉर ले, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कभी भी गर्मी हो जाती है, कभी भी ठंडी हो जाती है, एंड किसी के भी घर में, रूम में, कहीं पे भी देयर इज़ नो फैन. सो आई गॉट माई पर्सनल फैन एंड इट्स रियली नाइस अगर आप कहीं ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं तो, एंड ऑल्सो टचअप के लिए इट्स रियली गुड. सो या, this is the one from, I think he got it from Amazon. It's a mini fan LED light and it has a pig. It's super cute and I think, yeah, इसके बारे में और क्या ही बोलूँ. It's super cute and यहाँ पे I'm going to use the fan. Also it's chargeable, so you can definitely charge it and then use it again and again and again. And I think आज हमें कहीं जाना है तो I am going to take it along with me. अगर गर्मी हुई तो I'm going to use it as well. I know मैं थोड़ी सी silly लगने वाली हूँ सब लोगों के सामने, but ठीक है. It's cute and I like it. I like cute things. Alright, so the next thing that I got is a mic. I finally have a mic, guys. And अगर आपका कोई friend या girlfriend or whatever is creative or is a creator, so you can definitely give this JBL का mic. I still am waiting for my Apple का, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कन्वर्टर, ताकि मैं इसे यूज़ कर सकूँ, बिकॉज इसमें ऐसी वाली पिन है एंड वी डोंट हैव दैट एनी मोर इन एप्पल. तो फिर I'm still waiting, but I have heard that it's good. JBL का है and इसके reviews are also good. So if you want a super mini review kind of a thing for this, then I'm going to show it to you as well once I get my converters. Coming to the second last thing that I got. I know इसमें मुझे कपड़े include नहीं करने थे क्योंकि कपड़े सब दे देते हैं and सबकी अलग अलग choices होती है, तो you never know कि किसको क्या पसंद आएगा. But I am definitely sure कि सबको ये shirt अच्छी लगेगी. So cute. It's a SpongeBob long t-shirt. I'm going to wear it as a t-shirt dress and it's super cute. इसके साथ I also got a dress, basic मतलब लड़की वाला. This is a unisex thing, but that was a girl t-shirt dress and I got it from Soul Store. So इसका price I think इसमें 999. So this one is from 999 and that one is also for 999. So जैसे भी your girl का पसंद हो, you can give it to her. I really love this color. I really love the pattern, SpongeBob, and I'm super excited to wear it as well. I love it. The last thing that I got is this. Now I was also confused पहले कि ये क्या है? What is this? But this is a makeup bag and it opens up ऐसे. I think इसका Instagram पे काफ़ी टाइम पहले ad आता था. I have seen it, जिसमें कि you just open it and सारा कुछ display हो जाएगा ऐसे, and then you quickly pull it and close it ऐसे. So it will be a bag. तो it's very very easy to carry your makeup, क्योंकि मेरे जो मेकअप बॉक्स है वो 3-4 हो चुके हैं अब. तो आई रियली नीडेड समथिंग जो कि बड़ा सा मेकअप बॉक्स हो, एंड दिस इज़ वेरी नाइस क्योंकि इसको बस ऐसे ही खोलो एंड सब कुछ डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा, तो ढूंढने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है कि क्या कहाँ पे रखा है. एंड देन यू कैन सिंपली क्लोज इट एंड देन इट विल बी बैक टू a basic bag. So yeah, this is what I got. All right, that's it for the video. That's all the small gifts that I got, and I loved each and every one of them. I think this little guy is my favorite and my mood is very good now, so I'm going to change it. So this is my favorite out of them all. Also the photo book is my favorite as well. So yeah, if you feel like giving any of these gifts, you can definitely go ahead and give it to your girl and she'll be more than happy, I think. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you like it, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press that bell icon. See you next time. Bye bye.